Hi, this is Ashwin Acharya. Right now, we will discuss regarding the topic communications. What is communications? Communications is the transferring of informations from one person to another. The principle of the communications, which is displayed below as the conceive the message, select the method, deliver the message, and then receive the message, and interrupt the message, finally supply the feedback. The objective of communications to understand others, clear understanding of the message, acceptance of our ideas, get require actions. And what are the purpose of the communications? Promote understandings, transferring of the policies, collections of the opinions, cooperations, and instructions. Basically, communications is divided in three parts, or we are communicated in three ways, that is, in written, in verbal, or in visual. That is clearly known as written communications, verbal communications, and the visual communications. Written communications, what are the advantages? It's a permanent record, ready for the reference, consistent message, accuracy for the details, wide audience, authoritative. What are the disadvantages? Maybe unread, maybe one-way communications, often no feedback. It may take time consuming, take more costs, misinterpretations. What are the barriers to the written communications? That is illiteracy, competency, level of written materials, the presentations, the quality of informations, the quantity, and finally the attitude. Verbal communications, what are the advantages? It's direct, it's two ways of communications, quick response, instant feedback, easy to do, and it's flexible. What are the disadvantages? There is no record, no reference, unstructured, inconsistent of message, too much for memory, limited audience. The barriers to the verbal communications, hearing or speech defects, noise, distance, language, lack of knowledge, attitudes, duration, and speed of the communications. The visual communications, what are the advantages? It's easy to understand. It shows the trends and the comparisons, the consistency of the message, and in a large group. What are the disadvantages? It's boring, it's lengthy, there is no feedback, too much for memory, inconsistent message, too much for the memory. What are the barriers on the visual communications? The use of the jargon, the emotional barriers, and the taboos. The lack of attention, interest, distractions, or irrelevance to the receiver. The difference in the perceptions and the viewpoints. The physical disabilities such as hearing and the blind, etc. The physical barriers to non-verbal communication. Why the different method of communications are necessary? People responding differently to different stimuli. The variety prevents over familiarizations with one method and help reinforce messages. The need to overcome language barriers and the inability of some employees to read. The need to motivate, stimulate, interest, and the feedback. The acceptance that the different type of informations require different method of communication. The communications within organizations which happen inside the organizations in day-to-day day-to-day life, that is in meeting, team briefings, toolbox tasks, policies, procedures, etc., the training, the safety, health and reports, the posters, etc. Safety and health notice board, which is informative and effectiveness. Information should include information for employees' regular posters, health and safety policy, evacuation procedure, first aid arrangements, contact details for the safety representative, target for accident reduction. To maximize effectiveness, locate common and prominent area, dedicate to health and safety only. Information displayed. Keep information in a neat orderly state. Make boards eye-catching by use of color and graphics. Use common or local language or understanding language. Posters. What are the advantages? The low cost and it is flexibility. Brevity. Reinforce constant message. Involve the employees. What are the disadvantages? It's regular change, soiled, defaced, out of date, over reliance, drive lines, easy way. Safety campaigning. To ensure campaignings are effective, communicated to employees, organized should have clear aims, objectives and target. Allocate sufficient fund, time and other resources. So total management commitment. Workforce made fully aware by toolbox talk, pep talk, etc. Clear language. Key responsibility allocate and accepted. Feedback to ensure employees' understanding. Safety campaigning. Why it's failure? Apart from lack of or poor communications, other factors that can affect campaigning includes lack of management due to the productions or other pressures to take the priority, insufficient time and funds made availability, poor working conditions, creating lack of interest, poor industrial relation. Thank you. For more details, WhatsApp 9338159721 or email to ashwani.acharya@gmail.com.